Hello guys, welcome back to our channel Semco Infratech. I am Soumyanjan Misra, Service Engineer at Semco Infratech. In today's video, we are going to show you connection and operation video of portable type A300 Plus integrated with air pressure spot welding machine. This is a microcomputer high frequency inverter spot welder. Its main characteristics are microcomputer control, large LCD display. It can realize multi-pulse welding. Its welding sparks are small and impact on the battery is small. Both the diameter and air pressure adjustment knobs are in front of the machine, equipped with intelligent cooling system. It can spot weld up to 0.2 mm for pure nickel sheet and 0.25 mm nickel plated sheet. This device requires AC single phase power supply, which voltage ranges from 200 to 240 volt. Total power consumption is 7.5 kilowatt. So let's see the connection of this device. This is the welding head. This is the LED display. This is red laser light for precision positioning of the device. This is a real-time spot voltage. This is pressure regulator and speed. This is the speed adjust beat. So pre-pressure welding current weld. When you turn on the device, press this power button, and here you can see pre-welding power supply or current. This is the pulse, welding pulse, and this is the continuous welding current. And here this is the reset button for resetting this total count. So, and this is the air pressure on. When you press this one, this air pressure will be on, turned on, and this is for LED, this light, and this is the power button for turning on and off, and this is the switch mode. This is required for using this pen, S73 pen, and switching this to needle head. So let's start the process of spot welding first. We will do it on this welding head. So first we have to set this mode, switching mode, spot welding mode. So here the first option is welding arm. So in this position this welding head will work, and here we will do the spot welding. But when we press this one, it will change the mode to welding pen. So at that time only welding pen will be used and spot weld with the help of pen. So we will set this for welding arm. So here you can see when I press this foot switch, this spot welding head will move down. You can see our spot weld head is moved down and pushed. So we will continue. We will first spot weld in this mode. Now we will test it with this pen S73B. So for this we have to connect this plug for this switching, and here you have to change this terminal from this head to this pen. Once connected, we will switch this button, press this button. Once it will press down, means the welding pen is activated. So now we will do what? We will put this nickel strip and start our spot welding. For this you have, now we will do on pen. Just need to press and it will do the spot welding. So this is all about this portable integrated pneumatic welding machine A300 Plus. For live demo of this device or any other device, you can visit our head office at Parparganj Industrial Area, New Delhi. If this video was useful or informative for you, then please like, share and subscribe to our channel for similar contents. Thank you for watching.